Step by step, very quickly, how to create a responsive tooltip. It's quite easy. Let's get started. So step number one, write down the text for your tooltip. Tooltip text. Okay, now the second step is give it a auto layout. So I'll just give this auto layout. Now it's in a frame. So this was the step one, and definitely I'll give this some filled color with the black one. Text color should be white, and make sure your text is in center aligned, or you can left align it, doesn't matter. Now I'll create the tip of our tooltip. So it will be in rectangle form and vertically shift it. That's it. Right click on it, and here we can pick outline stroke. So edges will be basically attached with the shape. There will be no gap. Okay, now give this auto layout. Now we have a two frames. In this frame, what we can do, select both of the frames and combine them, make a auto layout. And here we have this gap. So this is the 10 gap. Keep it the 0 value. Select this rectangle, whatever we have created. Select this, and this padding or margin we have to reduce, so it's a 10. So we will give it 0 value and change the color of it to black. So if I write down anything here we go, it always going to be in a center. And one more thing we can do, we can select this, and here we can select this fill container, and here you can see if you want to keep it this in left side, so you'll be able to do it here. Just in auto layout, just play with these values, blah blah blah, left, right, wherever you want to align it. Just do that, and it will be always responsive like this. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. See ya.